Hello guys, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to edit your YouTube videos in Clipchamp, a free editing software for Windows. Now, to get Clipchamp, it should already be pre-installed. You want to press the Windows icon and then press Clipchamp to open it. Or you can go into the search bar and search up Clipchamp. Right there. You can also go to the Microsoft Store to download it. It's time to open it. Once you open Microsoft Clipchamp, if you have never used it before or ever opened it before, it'll ask you to sign in or create an account. After you do that, you shall be greeted with the icon and a Microsoft logo at the bottom, because this editor has actually been made from Windows. Round of applause. Now, what you want to do is press create a new video. Once you open it, you can see you have one tab open that says your media. So you can import your media right here. But if you do not have any media, you can go into Clipchamp's contents library. They have lots of footage here, so I'm gonna do a skateboard trip. And then you should have tons of footage waiting for you. But these are premium. There is premium versions, but you don't have to use those. It also comes with GIFs and lots more. So I'm gonna add this to my timeline right here. And you can also increase the size of the canvas on top. So you can do that as well. And then you can also press play, so you can just play the video. It also has AI features. There's auto cut, where it removes pause and filler words, and you can also create your own captions with AI. You can also go into their transitions. Yes, they have their own transitions. Now, if you want to split a clip, look at your keyboard and press S. This should split your clip for you. To delete a clip, press D. This should delete your clip. If you want to undo, press Ctrl and Z. If you want to redo something, press Ctrl Y. To duplicate a clip, press Ctrl D. If you want to zoom in, press Ctrl plus and dash line, and you should be able to zoom in, or click here. You can also zoom in by clicking here. You can also zoom to fit, which just zooms so your footage fits the whole entire timeline. You can also grab text and put it into your clip. And you can type anything in to your clip right here. There's lots of different options when it comes to text. Clipchamp also comes with their own templates. They come with their own YouTube templates. You can search up Xbox. You can search anything. If they don't have it, then keep scrolling. There's lots. And then it's right here. You can also record with Clipchamp. You can record your screen and camera, just your screen, or just your audio. You can also create text-to-speech.
Choose from a variety of voices to help you create a story worth sharing. Hello, this is AI Speak-On in Clipchamp.
See? Amazing, right? Let's see our full clip.
Hello, this is AI Speak-On in Clipchamp.
Sounds great. If you want to export your video, here are some options. You can upload as 480p for GIFs, 720p for a smaller file and a faster export, 180p for high quality, 4K, but you must have 4K media, and also it's only for premium, and a GIF if it's less than 15 seconds. This is what you can do with Clipchamp. If this tutorial helped you, then consider hitting that like button. See you guys in the next tutorial. Bye!